I am so excited to share our latest special release from Club Scrap. This one's called the Pacific Northwest Remix. Let's take a look at the gorgeous prints included in this collection. And all of our artwork is original. We design it here at Club Scrap and have it made right in Neenah, Wisconsin. Along with the prints, you'll find several other sheets of plain paper and always in a nice heavy cover weight. We've got rust, 2 white linen textured papers, 2 of this lovely green, 3 of that gorgeous slate color, and then 3 of that darker teal. You'll more readily be able to finish your 8 12x12 scrapbook pages with the help of these cut aparts. They contain anchoring strips, page titles, images from the collection, some wonderful sentiments, as well as journaling prompts. We typically include ribbon in our collections. This is no exception. We've got a 3/8 inch rust-colored grosgrain, this gorgeous cottony ribbon in a slate color, and then a couple of yards of this natural colored jute. We're also including 5 of these cool printed feather tags, 3 craft-colored miniature envelopes, and some really cool silver charms, including this little wolf. We've got trees with the moon, this gorgeous arrow charm, and then a pine bough branch. Club Scrap solves your accumulating paper stash problem by using absolutely everything that comes in the box. If you follow along with our printable instructions and follow along with the workshop video, you'll have nothing left when we're done except for 8 gorgeous layouts. Let's take a look at those. Pages 1 and 2 feature some journaling prompts, plenty of photo mats, and then we've got 3 of those cool tags featured in a pocket, as well as that nifty arrow charm. And then on layout 3 and 4, again, plenty of room for photos, plus another cool collage embellishment using the envelope and the charm, and a really nice combination of charms and cut aparts. Pages 5 and 6 feature 2 square cut aparts that are nested onto a dark teal and then stapled with some of that gorgeous ribbon. And layout 7 and 8 include the last craft envelope with a little feather tag here. I used my slot punch to add a tag and then followed that through on the right side with this gorgeous eagle embellishment. I hope you'll join me for that Pacific Northwest Remix workshop. We'll have a lot of fun creating some gorgeous pages. I'll see you in class.